Breaking news, NFP Secretary General has resigned with immediate effect. Why? Because NFP, instead of joining the MK party, forming a coalition with the MK party, decided to go for the DA and the ANC coalition with the IFP. And the Secretary General of the NFP said, no, I cannot allow my conscience. I cannot allow myself to be corrupted and do these decisions. Never. My conscience will not allow me. Guys, this year you are about to see Politics 101. If there was a year where you are going to see an interesting comebacks, it is this year. Mark my words, mark this video. This video shall serve as an evidence. If there is a year where I guarantee you, you will see Politics 101, it is this year. You do not put Jacob Zuma in a position where he is suppressed. He's left with one thing, and that is to attack. You don't want Jacob Zuma there. He's always going to tell you, I'm the most humble man. But you don't want to push him as well. If you don't know what I'm saying, you will remember I read something where they were talking about Ace Mahashule. They said Ace Mahashule is more dangerous when you corner him. That I will say the same with Jacob Zuma. He's more dangerous when you corner him. That's why I'm saying to you today, you are going to see Politics 101. You will learn politics this year. Watch the space. You will learn politics this year. You have never seen politics at its work. This year, you learn politics. You are dealing with Jacob Zuma here. You are not dealing with just the people behind MK. They show you that whatever decision they take, it's not an afterthought. They've got. I always say to you guys, they have plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D. A, B, C, D, E, F. All these plans cannot fail all at once. Never. That is impossible. All these plans, never. If you defeat them here, they come here. Everything that these people does, it's always a thoughtful decision. That is MK for you. That's why I said the other time, I want to meet the leadership behind the scene, because what you see, the decisions being implemented, the moves, it shows me that there are people behind the scenes, and I want to meet those people because those are the most dangerous people. Yeah. So I'm about to dive into details and show you more about this, provided that you're interested. If you are, good people, Politics 101. But there's another thing that I want you to do, and it is this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, speaking about this, right? So let's give credit to Eyewitness News. They've reported this as of me recording this video 45 minutes ago. They've said Justin, NFP Secretary General Kenan Mdletshe has confirmed his resignation from the party following its decision to govern with the ANC and ANC, DA, and IFP in KZN. Do you see what I'm trying to say? I don't need to interpret anything to that. You see what I'm saying? Even this political, some people within the ANC, they believe that a political party that should govern KZN is MK party. People in the DA, some of them, they believe that the people, the political party that should govern KZN is MK. People in the IFP, they believe that people who suppose the party that's supposed to govern KZN is MK. People within the NFP, they believe that the people that are supposed to govern KZN is MK party. And when you go against the will of the people, and people were like, I will show you. And I'm telling you, this is just the beginning. Yesterday, one person who was somewhere in the ANC, also in KZN, also resigned. It's just that, you know, I saw the story, but I didn't report on the story because I was like, I was still, hesitant. I am saying now, what I'm reporting now. Wait, this is gonna be a series because it's gonna be resignation after resignation after resignation after resignation because people think they are smart. People think they are clever. You cannot go against the will of the people and then you think it will be as business as usual. No, it's not. The man said in his own statement, listen to this one. You do this to MK Party, then these are the consequences. He says, following the pronouncement by the National Freedom Party that it is forming a coalition government with the ANC and the DA in KwaZulu-Natal, I have consciously tendered my resignation with immediate effect. My conscience will not allow me to be part of a grouping that is hell-betting and clinging into power against the will of the will and the inspiration of the KwaZulu-Natal people. Listen, now right there, you see what the person is basically telling you is that the people of KwaZulu-Natal wants to be led by MK Party. You are going against their will, then I am not part of it. I'm resigning. I'm not going to be part of a decision that I don't understand. And that's exactly how you should read it. Let's continue. Through their actions, the voters in KZN rejected the ANC, reducing it to a mere shadow in broader political spectrum in the province. I therefore cannot watch when the thirst of power clouds judgment and takes center stage at the expense of morality. I am not a sellout. I will never betray South Africans merely because I have been promised positions. Hey, I told you guys this year you are about to watch Politics 101. The chess master is in the house and he is there to educate you and I. This thing is there to educate you and I. This thing called politics. We will be schooled in politics this year. Believe it or not, like it or not, it's coming. Now, so people are saying, nope, MK Party should lead, not ANC. I am saying, this is just the beginning of sorrow. More troubles are coming. If you think you can just do as you please and then get away with it, please think twice. This year, people will learn. And I'm going to repeat this. This year, people will learn that you do not put Jacob Zuma in that position and get away with it. No, you will pay for that. I know some of you are saying, hey, Bongano Khalil, vele ngiqalile. Vele ngiqalile. This year, and mark my words, this year it's called Politics 101. Politics at its best. You will see us being schooled on what politics looks like this year, 2024. Let me leave it there. Let me leave you there.